Welcome to Shaker's PC builds and reviews. Hashtag RGB life. So today we are taking a look at a power supply I got. It's RGB right there. It says so. I like to pick up some of the other brands that you don't normally hear of. Stuff like this. The AZZA PSAZ 650 watt ARGB power supply. Let's get straight to unboxing. AZZA, one vision, one mission. User manual. Another user manual. Power cord. Then it comes packaged in bubble wrap and this power supply is 80 plus bronze certified. It has a 120 millimeter RGB fan that is addressable via switch on the back. And you can sync it with some motherboards. It's a 5 volt 3 pin. Comes in some decent bubble wrap. Alright, here's our first look at it up close. So here's your power switch. Get your button for your RGB lighting. So apparently if you hold it for 3 seconds, that will sync it with the motherboard software. Chances are, set it to one color, leave it. Alright, so got our cables, and the 20 plus 4 pin is black and it is nicely sleeved, and then the rest of them are just black flat cables. Not your mustard and ketchup cables, which is nice. This will go well in a case that has transparent windows. Also make it easy, since it is not fully modular or semi-modular, to hide some of those cables in plain sight. So going over the cables, I'll put a pop-up up of the lengths, so you can see that. You have your 20 plus 4 pin. Like I said, it's got a nice sleeve on it. Then you have 5 SATAs on 2 cables. And then you have a Molex for 2. And you have the floppy connector. I'm not sure what that's used for anymore. 2 4 plus 2 pins for the PCIe. And we have a dual 4 pin for the motherboard. Then we have our RGB, 3 pin there, and like I said, that is the 5 pin, the 3 pin 5 volt. This AZZA 650 watt power supply is a single rail system. Alright, let's test out this RGB and see what it's like. Let's see the colors. So you just press the button. Back to where we started. The sound test. Well, folks, there we have it. The AZZA digital ARGB 650 watt power supply. I do like it. I like that it has black flat cables, just an easy flat black color, and the light mode has quite a few features that are suitable to any computer build that you're doing. We'll see this in a future build. Not sure when it'll be, but we'll put that on the shelf for now and see where we are when we're there. If you have any questions about the power supply, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best at getting back to you with an answer. Thanks for watching Shaker's PC builds and reviews, and I hope you have a good day and enjoy your gaming. Remember, you can't get high FPS without RGB. #RGB life. Cheers!